Welcome to our Yellowfin Help video. Today's video is about using a GeoPack. So this video is a follow-on from our previous videos on installing GeoPacks and linking the GeoPacks to your fields. So if you haven't already watched them, please watch them first. And now I'm here within the report builder and I've created a report that we're going to be able to use. So what I've created here is a list of all the countries that my athletes come from with their geo field. Now the geo field is being dragged in from my GeoPack. So this little icon here that you'll see is what your GeoPack looks like from the report builder. And if you open him, he actually opens like a folder. So I dragged in the geography field. Now within the GeoPack, you'll also get any additional census data that we have. So we've got the population statistics, so I've dragged that in as well. Now the beauty of this is that it's actually in combination with my existing data. So that means I can bring in any additional fields that I like. So I've brought in invoiced amount and I want to be able to layer that over. Now once you're ready to move to create a map, just go to the charts builder. Now within the charts builder, because I'm using a geography field from my GeoPack, you'll notice that all the maps will be available to me. So I've got my full selection of maps. I'm just going to create a GIS map. So first things first, I want to just map in my geography field. And I'm going to display the country's name in the tooltip. And then I'm going to use the invoiced amount to color. Now we can adjust the coloring of this map. So if I just click on my invoiced settings, I can customize the color. So if I choose something a little bit more grand, we'll see a lot more colors coming through. Your GeoPack fields just act like normal fields. So if I want to also display population, I could bring him in instead. Or if I could also use this as a metric selector and toggle between invoiced and population. Or I could create layers to add a lot more depth to my maps. So to do that, I can just click this plus button and add a layer based on the existing data because I've already got population within my report. And again, just map in my field. This time I'm going to use population as the color and I'll bring my tooltip to say the country's name and population. Again, let's just format that color. And now we can see those colored dots coming through. With your chart layers, if you go to the chart settings on the layer, you'll be able to have some additional options. So we can label the layer so we know exactly what we're selecting, whether we want to put it in the foreground or the background. I might bring mine to the front and we can make it selectable so that it can be an option you can toggle on or off. By default, I'll turn it off. Close that. And if I go to output, now we'll see, here's just my original fields, and there's this little layer selector here. So I can just pop it out, tick the layer, refresh it, and add in those additional colored dots. Thank you for watching, and please tune in to our next video.